here we are.
Hello everybody, we have my good friend here. It's all with me. No.
What's up? Alright, well, we're going to answer some questions, I guess.
Yeah. Yes. First of all, how are you, sir?
I am good, sir.
I'm
nice to meet you.
Thank you. How would you introduce yourself? How would you introduce yourself as?
My name is Solomon Jordan, and I went to high school with E-Man. He's a good friend of mine. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for the intro.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How would you... Alright, let's jump right into questions. What is the difference between American education system and Mizo?
I'm an expert on this. I can tell you that the American education system is, we both went to public school, so we paid money with our taxes, and we learned a bunch of different subjects. I don't know how it works in, say it for me, I'm sorry, Mizoram? Is that right? Mizoram?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you learn a bunch of different subjects, and all people care about is the tests and like some essays. That's basically how it works here. You're all learning how to take the SAT all the way through high school. So I don't know if that's how it works over there. I don't know if you know how it works over there, to be honest.
We have tests and whatnot throughout the year, but they don't count.
Okay.
It doesn't really matter.
It's basically the final.
The final is basically all there is.
That's kind of how they do it in college a little bit. They have a test or two, but it's mostly the final in college.
Yeah.
Or at least in my classes. Okay. That's not that different.
Right. Alright, next question. Thank you for that answer, by the way.
Of course.
When was this picture taken?
Alright, I think that picture was taken when we were, look at Hall. He looks like a doof. I think that's probably like junior year of high school? Or is it after that?
I think it's
It's gotta be senior year.
Senior year.
Because you were doing your senior project, right?
Yeah.
We were learning. Well, as you can see in the pic, I'm suffering from some kind of headache.
Right.
And that's when you were learning how to use acetaminophen, right? In your senior project.
Yes.
Yeah. He's pointing to his head to signify that he knows what acetaminophen is and that it can fix my head, which is hurting.
Acetaminophen is Emmanuel, which is me, cool to hang out with.
Yeah, he's pretty cool to hang out with. Easy and I go way back.
Yeah, we go way back.
Back in, we started hanging out, like sophomore, junior year of high school?
I think junior.
Yeah.
Mostly junior.
Year.
Maybe the end of sophomore year.
Yeah.
Because I had a rough time in the beginning.
Yeah.
You know. The English, I couldn't understand it. I could understand the teachers.
Right.
But that was it. And also, there was, you know how it is, like, how a lot of the black people talk here.
Yeah, it's very quick.
Very, very quick. And also, they don't seem to say informal or like complete sentences.
A lot of slang.
Yeah, a lot of slang. So I had no idea what that was.
Yeah.
For me, that was like learning a whole different language.
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that. Well, that's half the trouble is when you go in and start learning slang and stuff.
Right.
But yes, E-Man is awesome to hang out with. I'm gonna tell a story. Okay, cool.
Well, Miss Kimmy asked, are you gonna come back to Mizoram soon?
I plan on it. Yeah.
Plus, how old are you?
I am 24.
Mm.
I haven't been to Mizoram in a long time. Ever, actually. I've never been. So
Very, very long time.
yeah, I haven't been there since forever.
What is the most memorable moment of your life?
Of my life. Shit, I don't know. I went out of the country. I went to Europe summer after 8th grade, and I don't think I'll ever forget the countryside. It was real pretty. I was in a play my senior year of college that was pretty sweet, and I'm getting to know my girlfriend was pretty cool. I'm a romantic, douchebag and a romantic, but yeah.
Yeah, I could see you as a romantic.
Yeah, I can pull it off.
Yeah, this girl asked if your friend doesn't have a girlfriend, do you think he would like me? Let's go to her profile.
Oh Lord.
Oh, it's public. I think that's her.
Yeah, she's cute.
Yeah.
I'll have to run it by my girlfriend. Maybe I do have a girlfriend, but maybe I could break up with her and get with you. I just have to ask her how she feels about it.
All right, name top 5 places you would like to visit if given the chance. Why? Let's just go with 2.
Okay.
2 places.
Yeah, because it'll take 5's a lot.
Why don't you go and f*** off then? You go. You go.
So 2,
You go?
yeah, thank you. For some reason, Hawaii is the first one that comes to mind, only because I really want to see some volcanoes. I like I'm a big fan of natural beauty when I go to places. I typically, so I think Hawaii, see some volcanoes. I have traveled a little bit, so these are places. This is like types of places that I haven't seen before.
Yeah.
So, Hawaii, and then it would be tough for me to choose, but somewhere in Asia. I guess Japan's a good one. Given like all the cultural stuff that is here in America, like DBZ and Pokemon and other video games. I'm a big Nintendo fan. Anime porn is.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah. I watch that and I don't know how I feel about about.
You watch it on the reg.
Yeah, I watch it on the reg. I'm big into it.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Like Japan goes hardcore on some stuff.
Yeah.
They always seems to take it to the extreme.
Yeah. The anime porn that's actually my girlfriend. I don't know if I can drop her.
I think this one is for me. She asked, "Do you talk slow intentionally, or is that really how you talk?" I think I talk slower for the camera, and usually it's just me. Sometimes it's just me. I pace myself.
Yeah. Well, and talking slow helps you edit anime porn too, right?
Yeah.
Helps you make cuts.
Right.
Anime porn.
Definitely.
Yeah. I've noticed that in my videos.
Right.
We'll just start like screaming and shouting and yelling, and I can't cut it anywhere. Anime porn.
Next question. Emmanuel, is he really Emmanuel?
Yes, as far as I know. Yeah. Well, I actually, you know what? I call him E-Man or Easy.
Yeah.
But
this is true.
Yeah.
I kind of go by E now when I meet new people.
Oh, yeah.
I introduce myself as E. So like, E-Man is kind of I kind of keep that for you guys, for like my old friends and so on.
Makes me feel special.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Scam. Yeah. Should I answer the scam call?
Yeah.
Can you see what this is like?
Can you put on speaker?
Yeah. Hello? Hello, this is Maxwell. They hung up.
Yeah.
They didn't want to deal with my BS.
There you go. Alright.
I hope that wasn't a call like from a business, but go on.
This one's kind of for me, I guess, but it can kind of segue into for you as well. I'll break it down. It says, American 이 이따가 말씀하시면 Teehee, do you want to be American? That's kind of what the question is.
Yeah.
And I think what it's asking is more about being like white.
Anime porn.
That's kind of what we associate with being American white. But I would say not really. I don't really care. because you are who you are, right?
Yeah.
Next question: are you gonna be in America forever, or do you plan to be in America forever? Only God knows, you know. Wherever I go is wherever I will be. You know, whatever my calling.
Yeah.
So, what about you? Do you plan to be here forever?
I think I'm gonna end up here, but I've thought about going to school overseas or doing something like that to just get a taste of something different. But,
Right.
But this is my home, and I want to make it as good as possible. You know, I want to help. So I do think I'll end up here.
To a feeding frenzy. Feeding frenzy.
So that's questions. Thank you, Saul, for answering.
Of course.